First thing you want to do is make sure you're unloaded. We're in good shape. The back of the stock, you've got 2 holes. You want to take a standard straight screwdriver. Got 2 screws in there, you want to remove them. Then you've got a hole in your stock. You want to take a 8-inch screwdriver. There's number 3. Now take your pistol grip, your mountain bolt, and an Allen wrench. It's a 1/4-inch Allen wrench. Install your bolt through your hole. And for a permanent mount, you need to put Loctite on your threads. I'm not doing this because I'm not leaving this on there. And that's one way you can have a pistol grip shotgun. Depending on what state you're in, you've got to make sure if you've got a barrel that's under 18 inches, the overall length of the shotgun has to be 28 inches. And when you do that, it's harder to do the shell ejector. You can't get to it with your middle finger. It's still doable, but not quite as easy. You can still reach your safety easy because it's on your trigger guard.